Vlog November 1st. Coming home from work. So tired. But I know today's gonna be good because when I get home, right when I get out of my car right now and walk to my door, I know there's gonna be the Sony Bloggie that I won on my doorstep. So let me go and get it. Okay. Yup, there it is. There it is. I found it. Here it is. Oh my god, let me open this now. Heavy ass packaging. Okay, let me get this in with all this other mail. Damn, fuck, why is there so much mail? Okay, alright. I'm opening it now. Packaging. Here you are. There it is, my Sony Bloggie. Goodness gracious. And here I am being at home. Oh goodness. That box, all this stuff right here. I got a 4 gig memory stick, got the battery. What is this? I will find out. Got the cables, got my carrying case. All these papers and stuff, software that probably needs to be installed, instructions, razor blade to open it up, all that mail that I was talking about earlier. But anyway, enough about that stuff. Vlog November 1st, 2010, and here I am. I know I'm rambling, but this is my first vlog with this camera, and you just saw my whole house that way. And so far I really like this Sony Bloggie. I can so easily record myself and see myself recording. It's like hella weird. Look at the, because the background is hella moving and stuff. Man, this is gonna be sweet.